or 5 children with ages A less than B less than C less than D less than E, any two successive ages differ by 2 years. Okay, so here it's given that A less than B less than C less than D less than E. These are the ages of 5 children. Okay, so it says that any two successive ages differ by 2. So if this is A, then this will be A plus 2. This will be A plus 4. This will be A plus 6. And this will be A plus 8. Now let us take the question is, what is the age of the youngest child? We need to find out what is A. Now it says that statement 1 says that the age of the eldest is 3 times the youngest. That means age of the eldest is A plus 8. A plus 8 is equal to 3 times the youngest means A. So from here you can find out A because there is only one variable A. So if I put A here, it will become 2A. 2A is equal to 8 or A equal to 4. So you can find out the age of A. So this is correct. By using statement 1 alone, you can find out the answer. Now let us check the statement 2. It says that the average age of the children is 8 years. So here how we can find out average? Here it is A plus 2 plus A plus 4 plus A plus 6 plus A plus 8 and total 5 are there. Divided by 5 is equal to 8. Here there is only one variable A. So we can find out the answer. So by statement 1 alone or statement 2 alone, you can find out the answer. Right? So this question can be answered by using either statement alone. So option B is the right answer. Okay.